Welcome back to the Let's Build a Willys Jeep channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick video on how to install the transfer case snubber onto the cross member, and this is a very common problem. So when you take out this rubber insert, when you're trying to replace it, the rubber comes out, but usually the metal stays in there, and most of you guys don't realize that this has to come out as well, because we have a new one right here, and these come with a metal ring around the rubber insert. So as you can see, you can push it on. Look, it doesn't fit. So you have to pound out this metal right here, and then the snubber will actually fit into the cross member. So what we have to do is to use a hammer, and I would use like a big like punch, and then you try bend this metal inwards on two sides, and then that should release this metal ring. And in most cases, this is just painted on or rusted on, and actually in some cases it can be welded on. So this might be a challenge to get off, but I would use a punch and bend the tabs in, and that should release it. I've been using a variety of different punches to try bend this metal, and actually it is starting to bend a little bit, as you see. Just keep smashing with a hammer and a punch and it'll eventually start to bend, but this is pretty strong metal. Just keep on smashing with a punch and it'll eventually bend. After a few moments later, I've been able to smash both sides in, and it looks something like that. But the way I have it wedged up, I should have a piece of wood like that, so when I'm pounding it doesn't move on me. And I'm just using this chisel right here. It's actually working very, very well. I'm just smashing it from the outside here, and soon enough, after enough banging here, this ring will just crunch up and they'll just pull right out. And after enough pounding here, this thing should just fall right out. And there you go. The ring is finally out. And now the rubber snubber can be installed into the cross member. And now you can get your transmission and transfer case installed, and that means you can go for Jeep rides. So thumbs up. After you get the metal ring out, I would make sure to clean out the inside here so the snubber can be installed into this hole nicely, and make sure that you paint this, as you don't want this metal to start rusting on you. And see, the snubber will fit. Happy days. Thanks for watching and subscribe.